In this video we are going to see the top 10 high-demand jobs in Canada 2020. Prepare yourself for a fabulous future. 1. Registered Nurse. Total job openings, 157,100. Highest demand provinces and territories, good for most except in Nunavut, Newfoundland, and Labrador, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, where demand is fair. Median hourly wage, $37. Highest paying provinces and territories, Nunavut, Northwest Territories, and the Yukon. Typical entry-level education, bachelor's degree and registration with a provincial or territorial regulatory authority. 2. Truck driver. Total job openings, 114,700. Highest demand provinces and territories, pay, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Ontario, Quebec, and the Yukon. Median hourly wage, $21. Highest paying provinces and territories, Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Alberta. Typical entry-level education, completion of truck driver training, must also obtain appropriate licensing and endorsements. 3. College or vocational instructor. Total job openings, 42,600. Highest demand provinces and territories, BC, Northwest Territories, Quebec, and the Yukon. Median hourly wage, $36.66. Highest paying provinces and territories, Nunavut, Northwest Territories, and Alberta. Typical entry-level education, ranges from diploma, combined with related industry experience, to a master's degree. 4. Business management consultant. Total job openings, 39,900. Highest demand provinces and territories, BC, Manitoba, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Ontario, pay, Quebec, and Saskatchewan. Median hourly wage, $36.06. Highest paying provinces and territories, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Ontario. Typical entry-level education, business-related diploma or bachelor's degree, combined with relevant industry experience. 5. Welder. Total job openings, 24,000. Highest demand provinces and territories, fair demand in Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, pay, Quebec, Ontario, Manitoba, and BC. Median hourly wage, $24.75. Highest paying provinces and territories, Alberta, Newfoundland, and Labrador, and Saskatchewan. Typical entry-level education, completion of vocational training or an apprenticeship program, trade certification may also be required. 6. Licensed practical nurse. Total job openings, 32,400. Highest demand provinces and territories, BC, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Ontario, pay, Quebec, and Alberta. Median hourly wage, $26. Highest paying provinces and territories, Saskatchewan, Alberta, and Manitoba. Typical entry-level education, diploma and registration with a provincial or territorial regulatory authority. 7. Occupational or physiotherapy assistant. Total job openings, 25,800. Highest demand provinces and territories, BC and Saskatchewan. Median hourly wage, $23. Highest paying provinces and territories, BC, Quebec, and Alberta. Typical entry-level education, diploma. 8. Software engineer or designer. Total job openings, 20,700. Highest demand provinces and territories, Saskatchewan, pay, Manitoba, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Ontario, and Quebec. Median hourly wage, $43.27. Highest paying provinces and territories, Alberta, Ontario, and Manitoba. Typical entry-level education, bachelor's degree. 9. Aerospace engineer. Total job openings, 17,000. Highest demand provinces and territories, Nova Scotia and Quebec. Median hourly wage, $43.23. Highest paying provinces and territories, Quebec, Ontario, and BC. Typical entry-level education, bachelor's degree and possibly provincial or territorial licensing. 10. Industrial electrician. Total job openings, 14,500, includes power system electricians. Highest demand provinces and territories, Nova Scotia. Median hourly wage, $33.16. Highest paying provinces and territories, Saskatchewan, Alberta, and BC. Typical entry-level education, completion of vocational training or an apprenticeship program, trade certification may also be required.
Subscribe to our channel for more videos and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification.